I'm going to show you guys how I went from this to this. I'm tired of walking around my house looking crazy, and today's a perfect day to do something about it because today is wash day. I'm using my Dr. Bronner soap. I love using it for shampoo, body wash, face wash. It's my go-to. And I'm just going to shampoo with that like once or twice. And then I'm going to go in with a conditioner, which is usually Aussie Moist, but I couldn't get it at the time, so I ended up getting this one. Now I'm just finger detangling my hair and putting it in a braid while I finish up my shower. Before we start my wash and go, I'm just going to detangle my hair with a Denman brush. You know I love my Denman brush. And I'm just going to simply detangle it. No real sectioning or anything. I just kind of try to get all the curls clumped and detangled as much as I can using the Denman brush. Now on to starting my wash and go. My wash and go techniques haven't changed. I still use my Denman brush. I still use my Eco Styler gel, and I still shingle and finger detangle. So if anything changes, it would be just the choice of product that I choose to use at the time. But yeah, so if you want to see a more detailed breakdown on how I do my wash and goes, feel free to look at some of the other videos I've done. But if you guys did want to see another detailed wash and go video from me, feel free to vote up in the cards at the top of the screen. It should pop up like right now, and that will let me know that you guys want me to make another video, and I'll get to it. I'm just going to finish up that process all around my head and let my hair air dry overnight, and then I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Well, actually not tomorrow, in a few seconds. So now that my hair is all dried, it's the next day, I'm just going to go in and stretch my hair out so that my puff can have as much volume to it as possible. I didn't wrap my hair last night or anything because I wasn't really worried about protecting from too much frizz. I also forgot. So can we just take a second? Like, my hair is not like super long again like it was before. If you saw my last wash and go video, you can see that my hair has grown so much. Like, I'm happy that my hair is growing, and it's growing fast. But anyways, let's get into putting this up in a puff. So my puffs are really simple, like maybe too simple to even be showing you guys. But I just use Eco Styler gel and a hard brush. And I just put some Eco Styler gel all around the perimeter. And I just slick it down. And now I'm just gonna wrap my hair tie around once. It might be a little loose, so I just pull the band forward to pull it tightly, and I just fluff it out. I'm gonna shape it how I want it to look. I like keeping some definition, but I'm not worried about frizz and fuzziness either because it adds volume and character. I think it's cute. And now I'm gonna lay my edges. Maybe pull out some curls. And there you go. But yeah, this is my puff. Really simple and easy. I don't like tight puffs because I feel like I do not like walking around with a headache all day. I don't like feeling like my edges are being pulled off of my forehead. I just like keep it pretty simple, pretty easy, and I like it. And my hair has grown so much. Like, I'm so proud of it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment. I love comments. I read all of them and reply to all of them. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.